Welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is. It's your boy Mac, and we tapping in with another great video. I got another great clean arm feet for y'all to take a look at. But before we get started, y'all know how I do on my channel. I got to give a huge shout out to y'all, all the supporters, all the subscribers, even the first time, viewers, man. Shout out to y'all for rocking with me and supporting my content. So thank y'all for that. But today, man, we're gonna be looking at one of the most highly anticipated sneakers of 2020 on feet. I'm gonna give y'all the best look with the best jeans, and you guys already know what I'm talking about. We got the FLINT 13s right here. And I try to keep it as transparent as possible on my channel. So I played myself when it came to the FLINT 13 release. What I did was I ended up buying a pair of FLINTs off of GOAT. So I got a pair early, and this is the pair right here. It literally just came in. But technically I didn't pay the full price for it. These were listed at 400 bucks on GOAT. And I had some credit in my account for another order that didn't go so well. So GOAT kind of credited me a couple $100. I just applied that to this order, and I ended up paying like $225 out of pocket. So that's not really that bad, but I still kind of played myself because Nike did the shock drop for the last episode of The Last Dance, and I hit on that as well. So this is one of two pairs that I have coming in. I got another pair coming in from Nike, and they should be here. They should be in tomorrow. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that pair yet. I'm gonna kind of see how things are after the release, and I may even do a giveaway, but I'm definitely not going to keep two pairs of FLINTs. I don't like the sneaker that much, but I definitely may keep it as a giveaway, as a gift to one of you guys. It is a size 12, so if you're a size 12 and you sub to my channel, you may have the opportunity to win a free pair of FLINT. So this sneaker is going to be releasing on May 30th, which is right around the corner. Box price is going to be 190 bucks. And from what I see, man, everybody wants this sneaker. Everybody and their mamas is going to be trying to grab these FLINT 13s. Like I said, it's one of the most highly anticipated releases of 2020. So hopefully everybody who really wants this sneaker is able to grab it. And I honestly hope that Nike and Jordan do the FLINT 13 release like they did the Fire Red 5 release. The Fire Red 5s are still restocking, and I actually just got a notification this morning that they restocked again. So hopefully they make these widely available, and everybody who really wants them is able to grab them. I'm not gonna get into too much of the details because we all know what the 13s look like, and we all know what the FLINTs look like, but the quality is A1, Jordan brand. I personally gotta say, man, 2020, as far as like the quality and as far as like the releases, has been pretty on point. I didn't like the quality of my Fire Red 5s, but this FLINT 13 right here is pretty much flawless. I don't see any glue stains. I don't see any scuffs. I don't see any type of flaws on this shoe. The quality is pretty well made, and hopefully that's how it is for all the pairs. Obviously, it's gonna be some pairs that are fucked up, but my pair is good, and hopefully my pair that came from Nike looks good as well. But like I said, man, you've seen 113, you've seen them all. Enough talking, man. We're gonna get to what y'all really want to see, and that's those clean on foot shots. I'm gonna give y'all multiple different jeans. Y'all already know what time it is. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, man, so we tapping back in. I just showed y'all what these Flint 13s look like on feet. I gave y'all some nice clean looks with multiple different pairs of jeans to kind of give you the best idea of how you can rock these on feet. So with that being said, it's no excuse as to why you can't leave your feedback and let me know what you think about these Flint 13s. Are you guys planning on picking these up? Are you passing? Leave your comments in the comment section. And also, before we get out of here, you guys already know we got to pick our favorite jeans. So let me know which pair of jeans you thought looked the best with these Flint 13s. Me personally, I'm gonna have to go with the gray jeans. I felt like they look really nice, and I have to go with the blue jeans, the light blue joints. The light blues are like undefeated since I've been doing this, you know, as a part of my on-feet videos. Light blue jeans are undefeated. They make any shoe look fire. So make sure y'all comment and let me know which jeans y'all like the best. As far as sizing, go a half size up. To me, 13s run a tad bit narrow, so if you got like super wide feet, man, go a half size up or even a full size up. I don't think I have anything else to say about this sneaker, man, other than I hope that everybody who really wants this sneaker is able to grab it, and you guys should be able to grab it. I don't think it's gonna be limited by any means. Stop listening to some of these shoe tubers out here that's telling y'all that certain sneakers are gonna be limited and they end up being like restocked 20 times. So hopefully everybody's able to grab it, man. And also I got the Flint 13, the little lookbook, the little outfit joint. I got that coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. And also, before I leave, man, let's try to get this video up to 100 likes, man. Y'all know the on-feet was quality, so if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, make sure you sub and also throw me a like, because that goes a long way. But that is it, man. I'm gonna give you guys one last look. Even though y'all already seen this sneaker multiple times, I'm gonna do it anyway, just because I always do it like that. Flint 13s, man. Yeah, man, May 30th is the release date, so I hope y'all ready for that. But I'm out of here, bro. This is my third video I dropped this week, so I'm pretty, I've been putting in a lot of work, so hopefully y'all appreciate it. But thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.